Hi there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you getting to the point in your photography business where you're wondering, how do I even give these images to my clients after I took them? Well, we're here to share with you what tool we use and what else this tool has to offer for you.
And don't forget, every Monday morning, we come out with a new YouTube video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos.
And by the end of this video today, you will have a better idea of how to deliver your images to your clients.
And if you're new to photography, just starting out a photography business, make sure to tune in all the way till the end because we're going to talk about something that's going to help you.
So we use something called Shootproof, and you can find the link in the description of our video. So make sure to go ahead and click that when you get a chance, so you can kind of dig around and see what it has to offer other than what we are going to tell you today. Now, Shootproof, the nice part about it is that it does offer a 14-day free trial. So when you are ready to maybe do something with it, you have a 14-day free trial for you.
So what we recommend is to use that 14-day free trial, kind of explore what it does, how you like it, if you like it, and then you can upgrade as needed. So you don't need to pick like one of the more advanced plans. You can pick the very basic plan, and then when you start to run out of space or want more from Shootproof, you can upgrade your plan. So we recommend starting very basic and then work your way up.
So not only does Shootproof offer a pretty professional platform to deliver a link to a gallery for your clients of their images from their session, but it also offers some other things. One of the first things that we're going to talk about that it offers is contracts and invoices. So if you would like, you could set up your contracts that you deliver to your clients and your invoices for when they're going to pay you for their session right on Shootproof.
Shootproof also allows you to sell prints and digital files. So you can set this all up. It's super simple and easy inside of Shootproof, so you can be making money off of selling prints and digital files to your clients.
One of the things that we recently started using is a feature that they have that limits the number of digital copies you deliver to your clients. So if you don't want to deliver you can deliver the entire gallery to them, but if you only want to give them access to download a certain amount, you can actually limit them to that specific amount.
Comment below right now and let us know, how are you delivering your images right now to your clients? Now, along with selling prints and selling digitals, all of that kind of stuff, Shootproof actually recommends prices for you to use and labs that you can sync up with. So for example, you could sync up your clients to order through something called Miller's Lab or whatever lab you want. You can sync that right there. They're going to recommend prices. It's a super easy process. And then you can actually get those prints delivered right to your clients, so you do none of that work at all.
So something else Shootproof can do is it can actually set up emails to deliver to clients. So there's a variety of different reasons that you might want to do this. For example, one of the emails that we like to deliver to our clients that we can set up in Shootproof is just a reminder email of when their gallery is going to expire based on the expiration date that we have set for that gallery, which is another feature that you can do within the settings.
Okay, so now we're just gonna jump in and just show you a little glimpse into Shootproof on our end so you can kind of get a feel for what it looks like.
Here is what Shootproof kind of looks like from the inside. Right now I am under the galleries, under Photos tab. But basically here is what your galleries will look like for your clients. So I'm just gonna click on one of our galleries, and when your client gets this gallery, they are going to see it look like this. And then it looks very nice. They can open the gallery and then it's going to be laid out nice and beautifully for them, which is super awesome. And then they are able to, let's say that they like this picture, they can click on it. They can favorite pictures. They can black and white pictures. They can download straight from here depending on how you have the gallery set. And then they can also go in and they can hit buy photo, and that's where it will directly link to you, to your gallery. and they can order prints right from you on there, and it goes to the lab and the lab delivers it to them, or however you decide to set it up. So it's super, super nice to be able to do it that way. This is what it looks like for you on the inside, and you can easily add your photos. You can add a watermark to your photos as you upload them if you'd like, and then you can go into the gallery settings, and you have tons of different things. You can change the expiration date. You can change the way you have it look for them, the layout. You can add music, a music playlist if you want. We don't do that, but you can. You can set it so it's private or public for people to view, and then you can change up how many digitals they receive, or if they're going to receive unlimited digitals. And then you can link it with your shopping cart to allow them to purchase anything. So super, super easy to use, super nice to use. There's tons of different things inside of here. That's just the gallery component of it. That's all we use it for, that and selling prints. We don't use it for the contracts and invoices. We did right away when we first started out, but now we've kind of upgraded it to a different software, which we absolutely love. It's called Dubsado, but that's where we do all of our contracts, invoices, emailing, all of that. But this does pretty much the same thing as Dubsado does. It just has a little bit less to offer. But as a gallery delivery software, it is super, super great, and lots of things that it can offer. And it's easy to use, and the customer service is wonderful as well. So make sure to check.
Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you're interested in trying out Shootproof. We absolutely love it. We can't say enough about it. Their support is wonderful. And if you are just starting up a business, we do have a free business checklist that we have made just for you, where you can learn all of the things we feel are super important to do when first starting out your photography business. So check out the description below and you can get that.
And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And if you don't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at e2photography. And we will see you next week.